Yes, just another quick one. The End SARS protest has been gathering momentum, and a lot of celebrities, a lot of actors, a lot of musicians have joined to cry for the abolishment of the SARS unit of the Nigerian police. One of those popular celebrities to join in this campaign is Mr. Macaroni. You guys know Mr. Macaroni is a very popular Nigerian comedian, and he was out in Lagos to lend his voice to the protest to end SARS. He actually went there with some people and insisted on seeing the governor of the state, and when they pleaded with them to leave the premises, he refused, and after giving a speech, they camped out there. They refused to go. I'm going to play you a video. Some of the video is in Yoruba language, but a lot of them is in English. But this is what Mr. Macaroni had to say while at that venue. Just listen. I hope it plays. Just give it a second, and I'm sure it will play. Oops.
My name is Dewa Adedayo. For this purpose, my name is everybody.
God bless you. God bless you.
I'm not here today as a comedian. I'm here as a citizen of the country in Lagos State.
Who has the interest of the people in mind?
My life at the moment is being threatened by SARS. I fear that if I drive now and I go home, I could get a bullet in my head. It could be my sister.
It
could be any of us.
It could be my loved one.
True.
Sir, I want to say something now. Not even you now. You, let me not go to the governor, the deputy governor, or the speaker yet. If you, sir, send for me, given the circumstance, not for this, before all of this happened, if you send for me, call that day boy, that call that Minister Macaroni and once here, it's not possible that I will say, manager, Lobami, chief of staff.
Possible. Now, Mr. Dayo, he call you.
Commissioner, any so they me tawambi. If we say we want to see the one that we elected into office,
yes, sir.
It's not too much.
Yes.
It's not too much. This that is happening, it happens once in a while.
Yes.
I was here, I said it this afternoon, I'm still saying it. I was here during xenophobia attack. We marched from ICM, we marched. Later we came here, we finished here.
So that was Mr. Macaroni, and he has lent his voice to this protest to end SARS. Keep yourself updated. We're sending a lot of videos about this end SARS protest in Lagos, in Abuja, in Imo State, in Ogun State, in every part of Nigeria. Just check out videos on our channel, and keep yourself updated with what is going on. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to WMTV. See you next time. Bye bye.